Hi guys, this is another tutorial on Mule. Mule is just sort of ESP runtime ESP service. So I'm going to do a quick Hello World tutorial, and please enjoy and leave the comments, and I'll be doing more. So first of all, just download the Mule. So what is the Mule? Mule is just an ESP. It's Enterprise Service Bus. So you can have a look at their website and learn more about it. But in this tutorial, I'm going to do a quick Hello World, an example, just to get you started. And then once you get set up, you will be doing more. So you can have a look at that, Mule. But I couldn't find any good Hello World example, so I'm going to do that. So first, download Anypoint Studio. Once you download that, you just open that. It's like an Eclipse. So you create a new workspace. Because this is just Hello World example, so this will be a bit quicker. So once you open your Anypoint Studio, create a new project. You can give any project name, but remember to use Maven. Maven, it's like a lot easier if you want to add more dependencies and stuff like that. So let's move on and create a project. Once you create a project, it's similar to like any Maven project. It's not like different. But once you do that, and then it will do something, then it will download the libraries. So as you can see, because I've just opened first time, so it's downloading all the jar files that it would need. It won't do it every time, just this time. So you just wait for that. Once you're done that, and then you see this Hello World, and on the right you see connections, connectors. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to demonstrate a quick HTTP example. I've done a little bit mistake. I've provided Hello World as a host name. That's wrong. So what you can do, you can HTTP is like our entry point, and then you can attach a logger, and then you can even display logger in here as just a log to show a log, and then you can display a couple of different logs if you want to display a payload that comes from your request. Okay, and then that's it. That's our first Hello World Mule flow. So you run as a Maven application, but remember you could even run this in your Tomcat. So this having Mule itself is not necessary, and you can see some exceptions. The exception is because I did one mistake. Instead of adding that as a path, I added as a host, so I need to fix that. So stop your server, go back to HTTP. So that's a mistake, so I have to put localhost, and just put a path, just like a Hello World. So you can have different that's another advantage, that you can have different mules within even same web application. So let's run this on 8081. Once it run, you see this log. Go to your HTTP. You go navigate to your 8081. You can put like a hello world. And so if you put like so you see the payload. Now what you can do, you can use a REST client on Firefox. This helps to do some post requests, and you copy the URL, and then you can send some JSON or any other different format or any text. So what you can do is, before you even go further, you could actually put so there is a transformer which converts a byte array to the string. So you could do that. Any different of byte payload will be converted to a string. And that would be displayed on our logger. Let's run that again. You could use an online service for JSON. It's called Opgen, which converts into the model to the JSON. The reason it didn't work because I didn't have the HTTP. So you need to put the protocol as well. That's the mistake. So let's copy again and paste again. And so let's do it. And this time you see the response, that means, and you can see the payload. You can see the request being. Now let's modify just the JSON label and then send it again. So that was a very quick demonstration of Mule. I'll be uploading more tutorials, so please follow and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment and like this. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. So thanks for watching again, and yeah, subscribe for more.